Ever wondered how to keep your Ring devices secure and your subscriptions up to date without a hitch? This guide will walk you through making payments directly within your Ring app, whether it's for those essential Ring Protect plans, handy accessories, or any other transaction. First things first, open your Ring app on your smartphone or tablet once you're in. Locate the menu icon, usually found in the top left corner. Tap on it to reveal the app's navigation options. In the menu, scroll down and find the Account or Settings option. This is where all your account-related information resides, including payment details. Tap on Account to proceed. Within your Account section, you'll spot various categories. Look for Payment Methods or a similar heading. This is where you can add, update, or select your preferred way to pay. The Ring app accepts several secure payment methods, typically including major credit and debit cards like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. You might also find options for digital wallets depending on your region. To add a new payment method, tap on the option to add payment method or the plus icon. You'll be prompted to enter your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing address. Ensure all information is accurate for a smooth transaction. Now, let's say you need to pay for a subscription. Navigate to the Subscription or Ring Protect section here. You'll see various plans available. Select the plan that best suits your needs and tap Subscribe or Checkout. You'll then be taken to a checkout screen. This will display a summary of your purchase and the payment method you've chosen or added. Double-check everything to confirm it's correct. Finally, to complete your payment, tap the Confirm Payment, Place Order, or a similarly worded button. Your payment will be processed securely. And just like that, your payment is complete. You'll receive a confirmation within the app. You can always revisit your account section to manage your payment methods or view your order history.